So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel guys, if you are new to this channel and you've not clicked on that subscribe button, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. Also follow the Telegram channel guys. Click on that subscribe button and follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update. I will make sure to put a link to the Telegram in the comment section. And also guys, once you click on that subscribe button, right, click on the bell notification so you don't miss out on next update. Now let's see what we'll be anticipating for the next day on our EURJPY. Now if you have to zoom it out, we will start with our trend. Before we take any trade, we would want to know the trend of that trade. That is the best thing to do. Know the trend of that trade, and we can clearly see that we are in an uptrend move. EURJPY is very much clearly in an uptrend move. Now this is it here. This is the high on EURJPY. Then here comes the higher low. This is the higher high. Here comes the higher low. This is the higher high. Here comes the higher low. This is our higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Now market is doing what? Is giving us a bullish move that is about to form a new higher high. So this bullish move is about to form a new higher high that will take out this previous high. That is exactly what EURJPY is about to do. It's about to give us a new bullish move that will take out this previous higher high. That means we should now go down to our 4-time frame. So our next movement and our next prediction on our EURJPY will be a bullish move. So if you're a conservative trader, right, you might want to wait for a little bit of a pullback and then push up. If you are a conservative trader and you would want to trade it like that, you might want to wait for a pullback, then another push. So above all, EURJPY is going to be a bullish move. So a movement to the upside is what you should be expecting. If there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys know. What you just have to do is click on that subscribe button, click on the bell notification also, and expect an update from me.